Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Zoom on your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. To enable the Zoom on your laptop, you're gonna have to press the combination of two keys, Windows and plus. Now the plus key is located right before the backspace button. So press Windows and plus simultaneously. This will enable Zoom on your laptop or the magnifier feature, and it will also enable the tool for the magnifier. Using this toolbar, we'll be able to change the zoom level using the first two icons we see right here. The following two icons are used to reset the zoom level to the previous version. The play pause button is used to read from your device's screen, and this icon read from here is used to read from a particular place on your screen. So if you click on it and then click on an icon or an element of your screen, you'll be able to read to start reading from there. Using the gear icon, we can access the quick settings for the magnifier, and here we can adjust the speed of the magnifier, making it slower by moving the slider to the left, or faster by dragging it to the right. We can also change the voice of the reader by expanding the voice list, and we can go to more settings from here. If you want to access the settings from the start, then open the Start menu, go to Settings, go to Accessibility on the sidebar, then scroll down to Magnifier and open this menu. Here you can also enable or disable the magnifier simply by switching this toggle to the right to enable it or to the left to disable it. You can also adjust the zoom level in here and the zoom increment. And you can choose one of the three available magnifier modes. So here we have the docked magnifier, which looks like this, the full screen magnifier that works like this, and the lens magnifier. Each magnifier has its own settings, and to adjust the settings for the selected magnifier view, go to the View menu by clicking on View. And here, for example, for docked magnifier, we can adjust the following. So for example, if you disable mouse pointer following for your magnifier will stop following it. You can also disable following of the keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor. Now for the full screen magnifier, we also have the following options, and where we want to keep the mouse pointer. So by default, the mouse pointer is being kept within the edges of the screen, but if we change this option to centered on the screen, the magnifier will start working like this. And this setting is also applicable to the text cursor. Now for the lens magnifier, we can change the height of the magnifier and the width of it using these two sliders to adjust the magnifier to our needs. And so that's how you use Zoom on your ASUS laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.